What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're talking about how to create an exit intent pop-up with Drift. So exit intent pop-ups are really important because it can allow for you to capture someone even beyond them having issues with user experience. If someone comes to your website and they're looking through it and they don't find what they want, there's a significant opportunity to create a final Hail Mary to get them to engage with your brand. A lot of times people will take that exit intent pop-up and try and get a subscription, but if you create a unique experience with that exit intent, you've got a lot of opportunity to drive that visitor where you want them to go. So today we're going to talk about a simple exit intent pop-up where you can just show someone a message and get them to take a action via a CTA. But you could also do this with any chatbot playbook or anything like that. So what you see here is we have a custom takeover playbook that has been created. I've just dropped in some dummy copy here, and you'll see that you have the area to be able to drop in the headline, the takeover message, the actual copy itself. You can choose a CTA type, and then you can also choose to edit the copy. And specifically, you can make it so a specific person is asking the question or engaging with the prospect. You can set the engaged goal, which is default, just to show that the playbook is doing what it's supposed to. And then the targeting is really where we want to come in and drill things down so that we can set the exit intent. So when you go to display, it'll say display always. What we want to do is modify that and make it display with targeting. You can go ahead and edit this first condition. And what we're going to do is go to website behavior. And you'll see you've got different condition types. So we've got seconds on page, seconds on site, refer, cookie device. And if you scroll down, the very last one here, you'll see on exit intent. So if it shows on exit intent is true, that's what we want. We go ahead and click close, that there's the confirmation that exit intent is true. And then what you can do is if you want to further segment your audience, you can, but there's something to note here under the advanced column. You've got three options. One, to deliver this until a specific visitor interacts one time. Two, to deliver until the visitor interacts once per session. So that would be while they're viewing your website, that this pop-up only shows up once. And then of course you've got the last option is deliver it on every single page load. Now this is pretty dangerous. I wouldn't do that because you'll annoy a visitor pretty quickly. But the two big options is you can choose to only show it to them one time, which can be great if you're going to announce a new feature or something that you'd like someone to look into. But then you also have this deliver until a visitor interacts once per session. So if this is trying to get them to subscribe to your blog or something like that, you can make it so that it's smart so that it won't show up ever again if you do it this way. So you've got a lot of options there. Essentially what you would do next is you can turn on the playbook, and remember, if you want this to target specifically on a specific page, you would have to set that in the audience targeting as well. But that's it for the tutorial today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a message in the comments. If you'd like to subscribe to our videos, you can do so right here. And if you'd like to see other tutorials that we've done, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Take it easy.